Are you sick and tired of having muscle knots in your shoulders and you tried everything? Smashing, foam rolling, massage gun, and they keep coming back? In this video, I'm going to go over why you're having those muscle knots in the shoulder and 3 exercises to help fix knots in the traps, rhomboids, and pecs, the 3 most common spots for shoulder trigger points. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, owner of Comeback Performance, where we've helped thousands of people around the world recover from shoulder pain through our one-on-one online coaching program. Muscle knots get tossed around all the time, but what are they? Muscle knots, or myofascial trigger points, are painful areas in the muscle. These can be caused by overactive nerves in the area, sending too much chemical signals to the muscles, causing them to contract and be really tight. Often these knots are the body's way of protecting an area of the body by locking up and restricting movement. Those extra tense muscles help restrict blood flow to the area, which explains why they hurt when you press on the knots or moving them. When pressing on a specific trigger point, it could even refer or radiate to other parts of your body. Now that we've talked about what muscle knots are, why do we get them? Muscle knots appear to protect an area, whether that's from chronic pain, trauma, or an injury. When the body feels threatened, it locks up to prevent the body from moving. Now that we know what muscle knots are and why we get them, let's figure out how to get rid of them. A common mistake so many people make is they just press on a spot or they get it massaged, but they never lengthen the muscle and work on the mobility of it. This helps increase blood flow to that area to help with healing. The first step is restoring motion of the body to get you out of that protection mode with that hypertonic muscle. Now we're going to go over 3 exercises for the 3 most common areas in the shoulders that have knots. The first exercise is to help relieve knots in the upper trap and levator muscles that can lead to headaches and also referral pain to the shoulder. This exercise is called belt first rib mobs. You are either going to grab a belt or a dog leash for this exercise. You're going to sit on the belt and then you're going to pull it over to the shoulder of the side that you're working on. Hold the belt down and in on that trap. From there, you're going to bring your eyes and you're going to look into the same armpit of the side that you have the belt on. After you bring your chin and eyes to your armpit and bringing it down and in, you're going to look the opposite way and go up and out towards the other side. Complete 20 reps of this exercise on both sides, seeing if you have a difference side to side. Hey, real quick, I know that you're struggling with pain and you obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 720-710-4371, I will send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Thank you later. Now back to the show. This next exercise is one of my favorites. It helps relieve muscle knots in the rhomboids, the muscles in between the shoulder blades that so many people have issues with. This exercise is called a banded bear hug. This exercise has helped to relieve tension in that area and get more motion through the shoulder blades. Grab a band and place the band underneath your shoulder blades. Next, what you want to do is you want to imagine that there's a tree, your significant other in front of you. You want to reach your arms up and around and give them a big hug. This is allowing the shoulder blades to move up and around and putting the rhomboid in a stretched state. Next, you're going to move to that original position and move in and out of that, moving a little bit more motion as things start to loosen up. Complete 3 sets of 10 of this exercise. The last exercise is done to reduce tension and knots in the pec muscles. Tight pecs are experienced by many and helps bring their shoulders into a rounded position. This exercise to help this is called a wall angel. You're going to find a wall and bring your back towards the wall and feet in front, almost doing like a little mini squat. While keeping your back flat against the wall, start by having your elbows together right in front of your face. From there, you're going to open up your shoulders and bring your arms back towards the wall, ending when your fingertips get to the wall. Next, you're going to return to that original position. A lot of you that try this exercise are not going to be able to get your fingertips to the wall, and that is totally fine. That's probably a reason why you should be doing this exercise to begin with. Focus on going until you feel a stretch in the pecs and then back off the tension. If this exercise is too easy, you can go to the next progression. You're going to do the same exact motion, but once your fingertips go to the wall, you're going to slide your arms up the wall, back down, and then return to the original position. Make sure that you are keeping your back flat against the wall the entire time. If you are arching, you are cheating the movement and it's not doing what it's designed to do. Complete 2 sets of 10 of this exercise, moving through what feels good but not forcing the motion. These 3 exercises are far more superior than getting a massage gun, lacrosse ball, and smashing and foam rolling those areas. Soft tissue work like that is only a temporary fix, but the muscles are just going to continue to keep tightening up because they haven't been put in a lengthened state. You can keep massaging those areas, but if the root cause isn't addressed, it's going to keep coming back. These exercises are all designed to relieve tension in specific areas. With the belt first rib moves to help loosen up the traps and levator in the neck and shoulder, the bear hugs to help loosen up the rhomboids and shoulder blade area, and the wall angel to help loosen up the pecs. Clinically, these are the 3 most common areas that my shoulder clients will have muscle knots in. Although these exercises are very helpful, the job is not done. The first step is establishing why you're having the muscle knots and pain in the first place, by determining the root cause through a one-on-one online assessment. This assessment takes out the guesswork and allows us to understand what you specifically need to fix your problems, and can help develop the right plan to fix your shoulder pain for good. If you are struggling with shoulder pain and you've tried other things such as physical therapy, injections, or chiropractic and still having shoulder pain, the root cause is not being addressed. The next step is texting me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to fix your shoulder pain for good. Do this right now so you don't miss the opportunity to fix your shoulder pain for good and get your life back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get this out to as many people as possible so they can get help with shoulder pain. At Comeback Performance, our mission is simple. We're trying to help 1 million people around the world avoid unnecessary imaging, surgeries, injections, eliminate their shoulder pain, and get their lives back. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.